might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing good today. This is Thursday morning here in Northwest Georgia, and we do have rain. Right now it's just a light sprinkle, but we're predicted to get rain pretty much all day long today.
And we really need it too, because we haven't had very much rain lately, have we?
We haven't, but we're going to go this morning, and we're going to first stop and pick up a biscuit somewhere, and then we're going to go to Walmart's. We got a couple of things we got to get, plus we got to go to the pharmacy to pick up some stuff. But we normally would be headed to Hardee's this morning to get us a good biscuit. And 2 days ago, Hardee's shut down here in Rome. And we read that all the Hardee's, or a bunch of them in Northwest Georgia, closed down at the same time. And so anyway, so hopefully someone will reopen those Hardee's stores.
Yes, and I really hate that too, because they make the best Star burgers, and they also make very good gravy biscuits. And nobody in Rome makes them as good as Hardee's does.
That's right. And we had ate breakfast there that morning.
Yes.
And then we was driving by later that evening, and we seen they had closed.
Right.
And that was a shock to us for sure, wasn't it, Marie?
Right.
Okay. I want to give you a real quick update on how Maria's doing. We did go yesterday to see her surgeon doctor, and he talked to her and, went over all the CAT scan results. And basically, her abscess has closed up a little more than halfway. And she does still have drainages coming out on a regular basis.
So y'all still pray that it closes up all the way and I don't have to have an operation, because I've had my share. I really don't want any more.
So what he recommended, he said that under normal conditions, he could have probably went ahead and took out the drainage tube yesterday, but he recommended, because of Marie's unique situation that she has, that it would be best to leave it in at least for 2 more weeks, and he wants it to close up just a little bit more than what it is now. And so that's what we're looking for, aren't we, Marie?
Right.
Now, Marie was having, the last time you seen her on video, she was having a hard time talking and having problems with the cold.
Right.
So she did go to urgent care yesterday and had that checked out. They checked her. She does not have the flu, and she did not have strep throat. And he said it's just like a cold, or he said possibly since she was in the hospital and had pneumonia in the hospital, that sometimes after you get over the pneumonia, that you'll still have a little light cough for, he said, several weeks it could last.
Yeah.
And but he told her just to continue to take some cough medicine, and that should take care of it. And then he gave her a prescription for something else. And so we're going to pick that up this morning too, aren't we, Marie?
Yeah.
Okay. That pretty much covers everything going on with her health. So she will be having the drainage tube all the way through Christmas.
Yeah.
They scheduled her next appointment for actually New Year's Eve. And so we'll be celebrating New Year's Eve at the doctor's office, won't we, Marie?
Probably.
Maybe it won't be too bad though. But it's hard to believe Christmas is just a few days away.
I know.
And the way we celebrate, we'll be going to Cynthia's house and doing our Christmas dinner and opening gifts and everything. We do that on Tuesday, which is a couple of days before Christmas Day. And that's when the whole family gets together. It seems to work out good that way.
Yeah.
And so we're not sure what we're going to do between now and Tuesday. Marie wants to make that German chocolate cake, and I told her that I would help her with the German chocolate cake. And so we're going to try to make it turn out pretty good. And then we got a couple other things we'll probably be doing. But we just want to check in with you and let you know how we're doing. And like I said, we're headed up to Walmart's. We may record just a little bit when we get to Walmart's, but probably not a whole lot. But Marie, got anything else you want to add to this quick update video?
No, but I just want to thank everybody that's prayed for me and sent me good well wishes. And also, I thank you for all your Christmas cards. That has really cheered me up reading all of them.
There's been quite a few of them, hasn't there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and we'll get on the road and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're here at Walmart. We're gonna go in here and get just a couple of things real quick. Marie's already went in. I let her out the front door. Okay, Marie was able to find her a cart. That was luck, wasn't it, Marie?
Yeah, I always pray to get one.
Okay, let's go over to the pharmacy first and take care of that first.
Okay.
They got a good selection of storage bins, and we're going to be needing a few of these after Christmas.
Okay, I'm getting this gift for someone today, and it's a Black & Decker professional steam iron, and I think they'll like it. And no one irons anymore, but there's occasional times when you need to iron something. So this person, I think, will really appreciate it.
I'm glad to see you're doing a lot better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still got my tubes though.
Yeah. Well, that'll go away too.
Yeah.
Okay, we just ran into Jamie and David here at Walmart. And Jamie actually works here, doesn't
Yeah.
Yeah.
she? We've met her before. It's nice meeting y'all.
Nice
Okay?
meeting you too.
Y'all keep it up.
I was hoping to get them out. Okay, hi everyone. We just left Walmart's and we had to come down here to Piggly Wiggly's to get some coconut. Walmart's was sold out of it. Lots of times this late in the season, Walmart's will sell out of the coconut, but you can check back in a couple of days and they'll have some. But this year we just didn't get it in time, so thank goodness Piggly Wiggly had it. This is the brand I wound up with. It's not the one I usually use, but I think this right here will work just fine. Just set it out and let it thaw out. I like the frozen coconut in my German chocolate cake better than I do the unfrozen kind. I just think it tastes better. And I remember back when I was younger, I would get a regular coconut and pop that thing open and get a grater and grate that coconut all up and have a real fresh coconut. But you know what? Down here in the South where we're at, I just don't see coconuts out very much. Do you, Calvin? But used to, when I was growing up, you could just about every store you went into, they had a bunch of coconuts, didn't they? Mm-hmm. But anyway, lots of things has changed since I was a little girl. But I guess we're going to close our video out now. And Walmart's, I said, had everything that I needed, but there was a few things that I was thinking about getting. They just didn't have, so I'm going to go down here to the General Dollar store. It's close to Piggly Wiggly's and see if they possibly have that hard candy that I like. And so I guess we're going to close our video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. And y'all have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up store and sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud